today I'm going to teach you how to reserve a Bronco online. You're going to start by going to ford.ca/Bronco. So you're going to get to this page first, and what you're going to do is scroll down and you will see both models. So you have the 2021 Bronco or the 2021 Bronco Sport. So let's say you're going to do the 2021 Bronco. You're going to say reserve now. You're going to scroll down, you're going to pick your trim level that you would like. You're going to say review and reserve. So you're going to get to this screen where you are going to be able to put in our postal code. So here our postal code is N8M2W4, and then you are going to hit enter, which will bring up our dealership. And at that point you can click reserve now. So after creating an account, it will take you to this page where you'll have to fill out a bunch more information for us. And this is where you will reserve your Bronco. It'll be $100, which is fully refundable. And then after you submit this, in the next few days, you will hear from one of us at Knapp Ford when it's ready to order.